Welcome back. This time it's going to be a pretty quick tutorial. This time around, we're going to be getting our materials. Let's go here, open up this model. So what we're going to do here is make a vanishing morph for this material so you can see right through it. And so we can see what's underneath. So let's get that started. And as you can see, here are my morphs. There's none here. And to do that, we're going to open up PMX editor. You're going to grab your model and just drop it in. Select new. Select this. All right, let me open up this window. That's more visible. And let's check out our materials. So we have two materials. Let's go to our morphs. And we have no morphs. So the first thing we're going to do is right click and select new morph. And you're going to go down to the window and select the material. Here. Let me do this once more for an example. So the second one, I'm just going to put test here. Go to our English section, and I'm not going to put anything on it. This is so that you know what happens if you forget to write something down. Let's go here on our new one, and let's rename this one in the Japanese section as in cloth. Let's go minus. And the English section, put in the same name. So now you have the Japanese and English sections pretty much saying the same thing. Okay, down here, you're gonna add a new item. So currently, right now, is set to -1, which is nothing. You want to select your cloud number, which is that one. That one's 0, and this one's going to be 1. So we're going to select 0. I'm sorry. What you're selecting here is your material numbers. Over here. So that's 0. So you're going to select 0 from that one. So if you know which number you're gonna wanna edit or wanna find, you gotta go over here and find it. Okay. So that one's 0. On the test one, I'm gonna do the 1. And don't forget to add our material. Click on it and then select 1. And that one's it's called cloth. So as you can see, your naming here doesn't correspond to this one, because this one you can put a whole bunch of different lists. You can keep going if you have more and more and more. Okay. So let's go back to our cloth. Let's press edit. On our edit here, to make something vanish, what I do is just pretty much just click on all 0. So you're going to be multiplying it by 0 all the way around. This just makes it a whole bunch easier. A bunch of zeros on it. And pretty much you're done with this material. Let's do the same thing to this one. Let's edit and multiply by 0. And you're done. Let's test out our morphs. Let's go to our transform. You open up this little window. Let me expand it. Zoom out. Let's put it right here. And now you have two little morphs. So the cloth as one. It's grabbing the wrong one. Huh. Okay. One. I said that I screwed up here. Oh, cloth is 1. Okay, yeah, I picked the wrong ones. First, the 0 is the material one, so I actually wrote those backwards. So this should be 0, and this one should be 1. Yeah, was not able to read those things right. So now we go here, and now they should work the proper way. So that's for the cloth, and that will be for that one. If you want to activate multiple morphs, one thing you want to do is create a group. So let's call this one all off, and English all off. Select that one and select one group, and this one you are going to be selecting the numbers from here. So first one is going to be 0. That's correct, we want that one. And another one, we want it to be 1. Go here to your morphs, and this one's going to toggle both of those at once while using one slider. So instead of going through the list and going one by one, you can just grab this one and just toggle them all together at the same time. Unless you want a specific control over your vanishing, then use them specifically. You want to create a group, then that's how you do it. Let's save this model and open up in MMD. Save as. Copy your save location. Paste it here. Press enter. And let's go. Let's call this one version 02. Save. And you might as well just call this one material ball. Also in the English section, let's go material ball. Save. Now we can go to our MMD. Let's delete this model since this doesn't have what we want. Grab your file. It's material ball 2. So here it is in MMD. It has our name and it has our cloth sections. So here's one, and the other one, which we forgot to name on the English, has the null 0. And as for the second one, which controls both of them, that turns everything off. So our null 0 is going to be our ball down there. Has that. So if you forget to name something, just go back. I don't need that one anymore. We need this window. You go to your morphs, and in your English section, pick the right one. Make sure there's nothing blank here. So this one's test ball minus. Now save as, or save whatever you want to do. And another thing, let me turn that off. You can see that you're seeing right through the model. Not through here, but you can see through here. So this is your normals. Your normals are pointing out this way. And since this one is only 1 layer thickness, you're seeing right through the model. If you don't want to have this done, or if you have this problem, the way to fix it is once again within PMX. Come on, I'll open up the right one. graph. For this one, it's going to be our cloth, which is the one that's giving us this problem. In your material section, you want to select double-sided. And as you can see here right away, you can see right through it. Place double-sided, and now it becomes a solid object. So this is what we want. Let's save this as version 3. Save. Let me move this model to the side. All right, version 3 is being saved. Let me drop this one. And now you have this model, and as we can see, let's test out our materials. This one works. Our name now works. And that one also works. And if we actually turn this one off, you can actually see the underside of this material, unlike this one, which if we go here, you can see right through it. So this is how you fix your material settings and how you can make a transparent slider. Okay, folks, this is it, and I'll catch you guys next time.